Assalamualaikum dear students. Today it's 10th of August and I'm your junior English teacher of 4th class. Let's start today's our topic. Today we will read page number 70 and question answers of lesson number 11. Page number 70 our topic is words to complete words. In this chapter, in this lesson we have given some words which are not complete. Some words, first 4 words are given and activity B we have given last 4 words. So let's see card. We have given IGN. So we will write cardigan, CARDIN, cardigan. This woolen cardigan will keep you warm. He scored a century. URY. We have given URY and we will write CENT. Century. In his very fast innings. I have come to the last TER we have given, we will write CHAP, chapter in my book. Roger and his partner, PART, partner, gave a fine exhibition of dancing. The balloon, double O and we have given double O and we will write BALL, balloon, burst when Tony was blowing it up. The ORY, we have given ORY, we will write FACT, factory. The factory manufactures a large variety of toys. I did not take the nurse long a bandage the patient's leg. We will start work in earnest next Monday morning. So let's see in activity B. We have given some words that are not complete. RE. Let's see. Mark. RE, we have given RE, we will write mark, MARK, mark. The spectre passed a rude remark about the referee. The cowboy put a, we have given BR, we will write IDLE, bridle on his horse. He got the boat at the bargain, BARGAIN, bargain price of $250. Reward, REWARD, reward of 50 was offered for the return of the lost watch. The parents would not give their consent, SENT, consent to the marriage. The class had to translate a French story into English. Strong pillars were needed to support the heavy platform. Pat had an object sheet of cardboard 10 centimeters long and 6 centimeters wide. The prisoner made his escape by climbing over the prison wall. So it was our page number 70. You will we have already filled this page. You will again see this page very carefully and you will fill this very neatly and then you will send me. And now let's see the question answers of lesson number 11. So first of all you will write proverb, time is money, then Monday 10th of August 2020, then classwork 4, homework, learn your classwork, lesson number 11, Lucy comes to Hagworthy, answer these questions. Now question number 1, how many people got off the train? We have already, as we know that 3 people got off the train. You will write your answers very carefully and spellings should be correct. 3 people got off off the train. It was our question number 1. Then now see question number 2. How long was it since Lucy had seen Aunt Mabel? Lucy had seen aunt ka A, you will write capital AUNT, Aunt Mabel, M capital MABEL, Mabel, 5 years ago. Then question number 3. What physical defect did Aunt Mabel have? Because it is the name of a person, Aunt Mabel, so you will write in capital letter. First letter should be capital. A ka Aunt, A capital, and Mabel ka M capital. Now she had a little short-sighted, SHORT, short, SIGHTED, sighted. Now question number 4. What was Aunt Mabel's full name? Now I am repeating Names first spell would be capital. A will be capital and M, Mabel's M capital. Her full name was Miss Clough. Clough का you will write C capital, CLOUGH, Clough, Miss Clough. So these were the question answers of lesson number 11. You will write these question answers very neatly and then you will send me. I will check everyone's work. So today's our lecture is completed. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.